Hello, friends. Welcome to the Growth Mindset. Today, we're diving into how ancient Roman philosophers viewed loss and risk in a time when the fear of losing something, money, status, possessions, often dominates our lives. Can that fear itself be the cause of our greatest problems? The Roman sages thought differently. Imagine this. You've poured time and energy into a project, or maybe you've saved up for something really meaningful, and then in an instant, it's gone. How would you feel? According to modern psychology, fear and disappointment are natural reactions. But what if we could live without letting those feelings dictate our lives? Imagine being able to accept loss with a calm heart. It sounds almost impossible, but the ancient Roman philosophers had a way. They believed that loss is a natural, even inevitable, part of life. One of the greatest Stoics, Lucius Aeneas Seneca, would remind us, we lose only what we never truly had. But how does this translate to real life? To Seneca, losses served as a reminder of life's impermanence. He stressed that when we overly attach to things, we're unknowingly inviting fear. The fear of losing, of being left without something, is rooted in our own expectations, often inflated and unrealistic. Now, let's ask ourselves, why is it so hard to let go? Is it because we look for stability in things that are, by nature, unstable? This was a fundamental question the Romans explored. They argued that if we can grasp the idea that everything around us is temporary, then the fear of loss starts to lose its grip on us. Marcus Aurelius, another wise philosopher, once said, "Whatever happens, you can bear it, and it will even benefit you if you can maintain your peace of mind." Think of every loss as a lesson, a chance to understand your true values and priorities. Does this idea resonate? Can peace become our strongest asset? Roman philosophers emphasized that keeping our inner calm when facing loss is essential. Consider this: the more we fear losing, the more we depend on external things rather than finding stability within ourselves. In today's world, this applies not only to material possessions, but also to social status, other people's opinions, and even our dreams. The Stoics, unlike many of us, understood that attachment to these things always risks losing a part of ourselves. Friends, we cannot completely avoid loss, but we can learn to accept it as part of life, without fear, without letting it disturb our inner calm. As challenging as it sounds, peace of mind is our most precious asset, and that's the wisdom the Roman philosophers left for us. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to The Growth Mindset and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay peaceful and wise.